Hey guys, Mr. Melvo here again with yet another Freddy Krueger glove review. This is actually my most recent glove. I waited quite a while for this glove, but it was well worth the wait. It is a part 6 from Freddy's Dead, which was done by Shay Fogg. He's recently given up building and going into a bit of retirement, but he does still have a few orders that he's turning out right now. If you haven't gotten one, you're not going to. But a few people getting orders soon, I'm sure. So this is it, Shay Fogg Part 6. I actually requested for kind of little chips in the blades to be taken out. I saw a glove he had done once before with that little feature, and I just thought it really made this glove 10 times nastier. But it has great movement. Fit is awesome. Screen accurate glove leather as well. Did a good dye job on it. I've done a little bit of additional weathering since then, but if you look at the details on the solder spill, very thick, just nasty. And I wasn't a big fan of the Part 6 glove. I didn't really like the butter knives, but the way that he shaped these, it's really hard to look at them and think butter knives anymore. I just think he did a fantastic job. The different subtle variations in color from the back plate and the finger stalls. Just a beautiful, beautiful glove. And seeing this glove made by him really got me a newfound respect for it. But there it is. Freddy's Dead. Nasty solder spilled. Spiderweb bends on the back plate. Beautiful red ball. Excellent weathering job. And just some nasty, nasty blades. Freddy gets you with these, you're getting some tetanus. But anyways, trying to keep these videos kind of short. Sorry for the fading light, but I only have a small window of the day when I can actually shoot these vids and have decent details in there without using artificial lighting. But there it is, Shay Fogg, Fogg FX, Part 6, Freddy's Dead glove. One of the last of its kind. Enjoy, children.